In a manufacturing plant, there is no shortage of opportunities to collect data. But several roadblocks are in the way for organizations to have the ability to collect that data. Roadblocks like old legacy machinery that were designed way before electronic data collection was a thing. Individual SCADA and PLC-based systems that collect data but have no way of compiling or sharing that data across the enterprise. And individual software systems designed only to serve a specific vertical like quality, production, or maintenance, all unable to share data and give an overall view of plant performance. What you need is a simple and inexpensive way to quickly connect and compile this data into a platform that will become your single source of truth on the plant floor. Let us show you L2L Connect. L2L Connect is a data collection solution that allows you to unleash the full potential of the L2L Smart Manufacturing Platform. L2L Connect removes the barriers to data collection with 3 levels of implementation depending on your specific needs. The first level is API Connect, which provides access to L2L's easy-to-use REST-based web service APIs and is perfect for companies with in-house IT teams able to write custom code. Second is Ignition Connect, which provides a pre-built connector for those manufacturers using ignition by inductive automation and looking to maximize their value of their investment in ignition to streamline their shop floor. And finally, Machine Connect simplifies the collection and analysis of machine sensor data from across your production facility. Even where wired and wireless network connectivity is difficult or impossible to use, L2L Connect is simple to install, easy on the budget, and removes the roadblocks previously in the way of your plant using all of its data to drive improvement. So if you are looking for a solution that captures all of your machine data to help reduce downtime, increase throughput, and eliminate production disruptions, then it's time to take a look at L2L Connect. To learn more about L2L Connect, go to L2L.com or send us an email to info@L2L.com.